Hi, my name is Bekwe Bernard Boma, a PhD research fellow at Hohai Business School, China, former Secretary General Dukes China, a podcaster, and your uncle for the BWT-African Rising YouTube segment. As a strong believer in Ghana and Africa, I have come to fathom the essence of education, or what impact understanding it thereof will have on the Ghanaian youth. And as an international student myself, I couldn't be more appreciative of the role that international education has in shaping the thinking and capacity building of the proliferate Ghanaian youth. That's why I'm inviting you to the 3-day Study Abroad Summit SAS 2021 happening live at the University of Ghana, LEGON campus on November 5 to 7, 2021. The theme for this year's event, maximizing the benefit of international education for social change, is indeed a stitch in time. In attendance as a special guest of honor, His Excellency Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia, Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Dr. Ben Asante, Ghana Gas and GUPS-Patron, Dr. KWAME, Executive Director of the Unity Group of Companies, His Royal Majesty Togbei Afede the 14th, His Royal Majesty Ni Adote Chapter 1, also known as Reverend Obofo, Elder Dr. Samuel Amutobin, CEO and founder of Tobinco Group of Companies, Honorable John Buedo, General Secretary of the NPP. Some of the keynote speakers include Honorable Sami Ewuko, His Excellency Lu Kun, Chinese Ambassador to Ghana, Her Excellency Claudia Tobe Quintero, Columbia High Commissioner to Ghana, Honorable Dr. ADUTWUM, Minister of Education, Her Excellency HARRIET THOMPSON, British High Commissioner to Ghana, Her Excellency Grace Janet Mason, South African High Commissioner to Ghana, Honorable Henry Nanabuache, Honorable Michael Ochirbefi, Honorable Dr. Mustafa Abdul Hamid, Honorable Dr. Lawyer Yao Amputua Kuma, His Excellency Ibok Ete Ikwe Ibas, Nigerian High Commissioner to Ghana, Mr. Patrick Aita, Honorable Pius Enam Hadoy, Mr. Samuel Sapon, Mr. Dominic Ebia, Honorable Adrian Alfred Provencal, Honorable Sylvester Tete, Honorable Kingsley Ajeman, Honorable Okujeto Ablakwa, Nana Akomia, Honorable David Asante, Managing Director of Ghana Publishing Company, OSEI Bonzo, OB of Asempa FM, Mr. Stephen Kwesi Akwa, President of the Ghana Union of Professional Students, Giano Bwache Emmanuel, President, Nooks Ghana. This program is organized by the Ghana Union of Professional Students in partnership with I360 Security Services, Amani Drinks, and Dabs Glory Water. Some of our media partners are Media General, Multimedia Groups, Despite Media, EIB Network, Kiss TV, YFM, Radio Universe, Daily Graphic, Ghanaian Times, and the BWT-African Rising YouTube channel. I do believe in the Ghanaian youth in making the definite social change through holistic education, and I know you do too. So let's meet at the University of Ghana Business School Auditorium, the RS Emageshi Hall, and kick that ball of social change rolling. For more info, call or message at 05444 126 51 or 050 712 3325. SAS 2021. See you when I see you.